Hi everyone, in this lesson we are going to learn how to ask people if they have children and how to say whether we have children or not. We will begin with a model dialogue, and in this dialogue the two people are going to ask each other about their children. As always, we will explain all the expressions in detail afterwards. Do you have any kids? Yes, I have 2 sons. How about you? I don't have any kids. Okay, first to ask if the other person has any kids, we can ask, do you have any kids? Do you have any kids? To ask if someone has sons and daughters, we use this question form, do you have any? And then use the word kids to refer to the other person's sons and daughters. As well as the word kids, we can use the word children. So we can ask, do you have any children? Do you have any children? Both questions are fine to use. Okay, so let's practice asking both questions. Do you have any kids? Do you have any children? That was great. Next, to say how many sons and daughters we have, we can say, yes, I have 2 sons. Yes, I have 2 sons. First, we can say yes to answer the question, and then we can say I have and say how many sons and daughters we have. Here are a few more example sentences. Yes, I have a son and a daughter. Yes, I have 2 daughters. Yes, I have 1 son and 3 daughters. So the answer could vary depending on how many sons and daughters we have. Also, to say I have 1 son or daughter, we can use the number word 1 in front of son or daughter, or just use the article a. Both are fine. Okay, so let's practice saying these sentences. Yes, I have 2 sons. Yes, I have a son and a daughter. Yes, I have 2 daughters. Yes, I have 1 son and 3 daughters. Excellent job, well done. Finally, to say that we don't have sons and daughters, we can say, I don't have any kids. I don't have any kids. In the lesson on brothers and sisters, we learned to just say, I don't have any. And that's fine to say in this conversation as well. But in this lesson, we will practice by adding the word kids at the end. Let's practice saying this sentence. I don't have any kids. I don't have any kids. Excellent job, well done. Now, before we do the final practice, let's listen to the whole dialogue one more time. Do you have any kids? Yes, I have 2 sons. How about you? I don't have any kids. Now let's do a speaking practice of this dialogue. We will do 2 speaking practices so that you can practice both roles, and all the lines will be on the screen. So when it's your turn, please read the line and participate in the dialogue. Do you have any kids? I don't have any kids. Yes, I have 2 sons. How about you? Excellent job today. Well done. Okay, so in this lesson, we learned how to ask if someone has kids and how to say whether we have kids. And if we do, how many kids we have. The next lesson is a speaking drill lesson, so do make sure to take that lesson for more speaking practice. See you soon again. Bye bye.